Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. As you can see from the box from Christopher Ward. They contacted me about a new model they released, and I thought I loved this model before, and with this new size I think it's even better, but I have to try it out to be able to give out my honest opinion. So in this unboxing first impression video, I will show you the packaging, show you the watch. As you can see, you get your card, C12 38mm, and you have 60 days of returning the watch. Here is some stickers and the cloth, and then you get the watch. I am really happy that they sent the white dial, because I already tried the blue glacier dial, which was fantastic, and I thought they would send the same dial, but thankfully they sent the white dial, which is really nice. So first off, let's wind up the MovementSellita 200-1. Has 26 joules automatic movement, as you can see from the rotor. Elaboré Colimaçoné movement, so it has some decorations. 4 Hertz, 30 hours power reserve, 26 joules, 100 meters of water resistant with a hacking hand winding and screw down crown. Let me get this to the 10-10 position, and let's get the caliper to work. So we have a 38mm diameter, lug to lug, depending if you get it to the protruding lug, 44. If you get it to the inner lug, I think it would be like 40. Yeah. Thickness is under 10mm, or around 10. And strap width from the outside, I think it was 23, something like that. Yeah, 22, 23. So what do we have? We have 157 grams on the supplied bracelet. The case alone is 60 grams. Has a 10 Atmos water resistance, so 100 meters of water resistance with a screwed down crown. You have a screwed case back, stainless steel, marine grade bracelet and case. You have a very fine finish to the case and bracelet. You have even finish to the indices, so brush on the top, polished on the sides. You have good lume. I think it's X1 DL1 C1 lume. So that's the lume here. You can see it on the hands and indices. You have an anti-shock system, of course, anti-reflective sapphire front, sapphire back. What can I say more about the watch? It's so nice, looks so nice. Yeah, I'm wearing my VM watch. Oops, something flew. So butterfly clasp, and I think they added a let me see, they did add here, I think you can increase the size of the watch, if I remember correctly. Yeah, maybe I'll cover this in the review easier if I don't find it here. But yeah, I think I have to take some couple of links from both sides to have it on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. The 40 millimeters was perfect on my wrist. I think the 38 is even nicer, just smaller, feels lighter. I like smaller watches anyways, so for me this is a really nice addition. And yeah, the crown guards make it very sporty. Screwed in with 2 screws inside, as you can see. Yeah, really like this watch, and Christopher Ward has been doing great, especially Bel Canto, the 12. So a couple of heavy hitters lately on GPHG with the Belcanto, so definitely the recognition, they are getting it. And I think this one, and anyways, I'm a person who is saying since maybe 1 or 2 years the integrated bracelet phase is finished, it's done, the trend is ending. And but yeah, if you still want to get an integrated bracelet watch for around 1000, 1200, that's a great one to get, I have to say. The PRX is also great. Need to get them both at the same time to be able to, let's say, compare them. But anyways, if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. You find the subscription button here, and you'll find 2 videos on the right and the left that you might enjoy as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.